Russia's next-generation fighter jet, the MiG-35, will be equipped with a new expert system, capable of providing pilots with recommendations in various difficult situations. Dmitry Solofanov, a test pilot at MiG Aircraft Corporation, part of Rostec, has said in an interview with Sputnik. Everything in the new fighter is aimed at helping the pilot. In a critical situation, it can even suggest what should be done. Apart from that, an expert system is being developed which will direct the pilot in difficult situations, Solofanov said. The fighter is already equipped with a voice assistant, the test pilot added. We call her Rita, the voice communicant. Her voice remains pleasant and calm even if a fighter hits the engine. She doesn't talk all the time, she just makes recommendations if the plane approaches some restrictions. Hints are also provided during combat usage, Solofanov said. No abnormal situations have been recorded during MiG-35 tests. The most difficult emergency situations are being tested on the ground through simulators. This involves the cutoff of one engine or failure of the system. The most important thing is that the test pilot is always ready for any development. The MiG-35 is a 4++ generation aircraft designed to destroy air targets day and night, regardless of weather conditions, as well as engage moving and fixed ground targets. Its main features include radio visibility, a quite-redundant fly-by-wire flight control system, and advanced avionics, cutting-edge radar and optical systems, as well as a helmet-mounted targeting system.
Можно посчитать самим.